This comment just came in. The president of Iran just said, just a short time ago where you are there, said that the Zionist regime will soon be wiped out.
President Ahmadinejad's speech earlier this week saying that a new wave of Palestinian attacks would wipe Israel off the face of the earth.
The Iranians are trying to not just mock, but deny a Holocaust while simultaneously preparing to launch another. The president of Iran is talking about genocide, wiping Israel and, frankly, the United States off the map.
As a Jew, I feel much more threatened by people like Jimmy Carter when Israel is facing genocidal enemies who have sworn to destroy it and kill the Jews.
Now, let's look at the map and to see what he's talking about. Here is Israel in the middle.
The current president of Iran has announced that the destruction of Israel is an important part of their agenda.
I spoke to Mark Regev from the Israeli Foreign Ministry in Jerusalem. Does he agree with Benjamin Netanyahu, I asked, that Ahmadinejad is the worst tyrant since Hitler and Israel's greatest enemy?
We got common goals that make sense for both our peoples. Two such goals are Iran, convincing the Iranians to get rid of its nuclear weapons.
I'd love to think there's something to negotiate with Iran about, but you have a president there who his sworn aim is to wipe Israel off the face of the map and kill every Jew in the Middle East.
There is going to be this armada of essentially these Muslim nations joined with Russia to invade Israel, it says, in the latter days.
Ahmadinejad is the new Hitler. Too many Americans, and particularly on the left, don't see that. They don't see the threat. Ahmadinejad is saying to people in Iran that the end of the world is rapidly approaching and that it's his mission to bring it about by destroying Israel.
Another one said, I want to destroy the Jews of the world. And another one said, only when no Jews are living, the world will be better. We know that the Shoah came. Take Ahmadinejad very serious.
Israel might be wiped off the map.
He stands up, he says Israel should be wiped off the map.
Wiped off the map.
Eliminate Israel from the face of the earth.
Wiped off the map.
Wipe Israel off the map.
Wiped off the map.
Wiped off the map. Destruction of Israel.
Israel should be wiped off the map.
Are we going to have to wait until there's a mushroom cloud over Jerusalem?
That's the situation described by the prophet Ezekiel. You ought to read your Bibles.
Nearly half of the U.S. believes we will eventually have to take military action against Iran, according to our new Fox poll.